again. I've got a sketchbook activity for you. Today we are going to draw a bird, and I'd like you to do where he faces you, and I'd like to do a side view of a bird. Side views are usually the easiest. They're also called profile. So we'll do a side view and then we'll do a frontal view. I'm going to give one a go, and I think I'm going to do a bald eagle. So side view or profile view is always easiest. I know he's got a big head, and he's got a beak that comes out and curves down. And he's got eagle eyes. Now the bald eagle has a white head and a brown body. So this is pretty good side view. He's got little nostrils. He looks a little angry. Just for fun, we'll give him some hair sticking up. All right, now the front view is going to be a little more difficult, but you're looking at his head shape. So his head's going to be shaped just the same. We still have those eagle eyes. And bird noses from the front look like diamonds. So we're just going to draw like a diamond shape, but I'm going to make it long. There we go. Practice this with a variety of animals. The more you practice, the better you're going to get.